Spectrum routers support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Switching to 5 GHz can significantly improve your Wi-Fi speed and reduce interference. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider coverage, but is more prone to interference from other devices like microwaves and Bluetooth. 5 GHz provides faster speeds and less interference, ideal for streaming, gaming, and video calls. As of September 2025, over 55% of Spectrum Internet users are primarily on 5 GHz. Modern Spectrum routers often have band steering, which automatically directs compatible devices to the 5 GHz band. In urban areas, crowded 2.4 GHz channels often necessitate switching to 5 GHz for optimal performance. Keep in mind that 5 GHz has a shorter range and is more affected by walls. To switch to 5 GHz on your Spectrum router, start by accessing the admin panel. Open your web browser and type 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. Use the default credentials, username admin, and password. If these don't work, check the sticker on your router for the correct ones. After logging in, navigate to the wireless settings section in your router's web interface. In the wireless settings, enable the 5 GHz network. It's often labeled as Spectrum 5G. If you want to force devices to use 5 GHz, you can disable the 2.4 GHz network, but be aware this may affect older devices. Newer Spectrum routers have Smart Connect features that automatically manage band switching. After making changes, reboot your router to apply the settings. By switching to 5 GHz, you can reduce latency and increase speed, especially for bandwidth-intensive tasks. Watch the speed and signal strength improve. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to test the signal strength after switching. This will help you confirm the improvements. Make sure your devices are compatible with 5 GHz to avoid connectivity issues. Older devices may need adapters or Ethernet connections.